Hey everyone, it's Dr. Adam McKee here, back with another engaging dive into the world of criminal justice from my book, Criminal Justice, an overview of the system. Today, we're tackling section 1.1.2, where we peel back the layers of the courts and corrections within the American legal system, and we'll even touch upon the elusive concept of justice itself. Let's get into it. Courts. In the American legal system, the courts serve as the pivotal arena where justice is pursued, and the fate of those accused of breaking the law is determined. Imagine finding yourself in such a situation, standing in a courtroom, your future hanging in the balance. It's in this environment that the intricate dance of legal proceedings unfolds, a process meticulously designed to ensure fairness and uphold the principles of justice. At the heart of this process is the adversarial system, a distinctive feature of the American judiciary. Here, two opposing sides, the prosecution and the defense, engage in a vigorous debate over the truth of the matter at hand. The prosecutor, representing the government, takes on the role of the offense, striving to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant committed the crime. Armed with evidence, witnesses, and the force of the law, the prosecutor's mission is to convince the judge and jury of the defendant's guilt. Opposing the prosecutor is the defense attorney, the defendant's champion in the courtroom. Like a skilled strategist in a game of chess, the defense attorney works to counter the prosecution's moves, challenging evidence, questioning witnesses, and presenting alternative narratives. Their goal is not only to sow seeds of reasonable doubt in the minds of the jurors but also to advocate for the defendant's legal rights, arguing for leniency or dismissal of charges when appropriate. Presiding over this legal contest is the judge, the impartial arbiter who ensures the rules of the courtroom are followed. The judge's role is akin to that of a referee in a sport, calling fouls, making rulings on the admissibility of evidence, and guiding the proceedings with a steady hand. In bench trials, the judge also serves as the finder of fact, making the final determination of guilt or innocence when a jury is not present. The jury, a group of ordinary citizens called upon to serve as the ultimate deciders of fact, plays a crucial role in this system. Tasked with weighing the evidence presented by both sides, the jury's verdict represents the community's voice in the administration of justice. Their decision, reached through collective deliberation, determines whether the defendant is found guilty or not guilty, embodying the democratic principles at the core of the American legal system. This adversarial setup, with its checks and balances, ensures that the pursuit of justice is a dynamic and interactive process. It provides a platform for the accused to have their day in court, for evidence to be examined critically, and for the truth to emerge from the clash of opposing viewpoints. Through this rigorous debate and examination, the courts seek to ensure that justice is not only done but seen to be done, maintaining the public's trust in the legal system's integrity and fairness. Corrections. The concept of corrections within the criminal justice system encompasses a multifaceted array of strategies and facilities designed to manage individuals who have been accused or convicted of crimes. This broad term covers everything from probation and parole, which allow offenders to serve their sentences under supervision in the community, to incarceration in jails and prisons. Each of these components plays a unique role in the overarching goal of corrections, but what exactly is that goal? Is the primary purpose to punish those who have broken the law, to rehabilitate them and prepare them for reintegration into society, or to protect the public from potential harm? The debate over the objectives of corrections is long-standing and complex, with different stakeholders emphasizing different priorities. However, a consensus often emerges around the need to ensure public safety. This objective serves as the North Star guiding the correctional system's policies and practices. Yet, achieving this goal is anything but straightforward, given the delicate balance that must be struck between punishment and rehabilitation. Jails serve as the entry point for many into the correctional system, housing individuals awaiting trial, who are presumed innocent until proven guilty, as well as those serving short sentences for lesser offenses. The transient population of jails reflects the system's front end, dealing with a wide range of individuals whose final outcomes are yet to be determined. The environment in jails is unique, accommodating individuals at various stages of their legal proceedings, from pre-trial detainees to convicted misdemeanants. Prisons, on the other hand, are designed for the long haul. Here, individuals convicted of more serious crimes serve out sentences that can span from a year to life. Prisons are structured to be more secure than jails and often offer more comprehensive programs aimed at rehabilitation. These institutions face the challenge of not only keeping society safe from those deemed too dangerous to live freely but also of addressing the root causes of criminal behavior. Programs focusing on education, vocational training, substance abuse treatment, and psychological counseling are common, reflecting a belief in the possibility of change and the value of preparing inmates for eventual re-entry into society. The journey from arrest to re-entry is fraught with challenges and opportunities for reflection on what corrections should aim to achieve. While the punitive aspect of incarceration is clear, the potential for rehabilitation and transformation is equally significant. The correctional system's dual focus on protecting the public while offering avenues for personal growth and redemption underscores the complexity of its mission. Ultimately, the effectiveness of the corrections system is measured not just by its capacity to punish, but by its ability to foster positive change in individuals, reduce recidivism, and enhance public safety in a sustainable and humane manner. This delicate balancing act between punishment and rehabilitation, between safeguarding the community and investing in the future of those who have erred, is at the heart of the correctional philosophy. It is a testament to society's enduring hope in the potential for redemption and the belief that, even in the shadow of transgression, there exists an opportunity for growth and a path back to the fold of civic life. Defining justice. Defining justice within this system is akin to navigating a labyrinth. Is justice about equality, ensuring everyone is treated the same, or about equity, where outcomes are based on individual actions? Perhaps it's about retributive justice, the idea that the punishment should fit the crime, reflecting a balance between wrongdoing and consequence. Or maybe, it's procedural justice, focusing on the fairness of the process itself, rooted deeply in the concept of due process. This principle, enshrined in our Constitution, demands that criminal proceedings are conducted fairly, respecting all legal rights. As we delve into these concepts, it's fascinating to see how the Due Process Clause of the Fifth Amendment underscores the protection of civil liberties, acting as a guardian for rights not explicitly mentioned but deemed essential for fairness, such as the right to privacy. Conclusion. In wrapping up today's journey through the courts and corrections, we've seen how these components, along with the police, form the intricate tapestry of the U.S. criminal justice system. Linked by the rule of law and guided by the Constitution, this system aims to ensure fairness, protect rights, and serve justice in its many forms. As we ponder the complexities of justice and the critical role of due process, I invite you to reflect on these questions. What does justice mean to you? How do you see the balance between punishment and rehabilitation? Engage with us in the comments below, share your thoughts, and let's keep this important conversation going. Thank you for joining me, Dr. Adam McKee, on this exploration. Stay tuned for more insights into criminal justice, an overview of the system, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that bridges the gap between academic knowledge and everyday understanding. See you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into the roles and responsibilities that shape our pursuit of justice.